Looking for the ultimate kitchen assistant? A food processor is one of the most versatile and time-saving appliances you can have on your countertop. Whether you're chopping veggies, shredding cheese, kneading dough, or whipping up fresh salsa, a top-quality food processor can handle it all with ease. But with so many options on the market, ranging from compact models for quick tasks to powerful machines for serious meal prep, finding the right one can be overwhelming. In this guide, we've rounded up the best food processors of the year, tested for performance, durability, and value, so you can pick the perfect one for your cooking needs. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 6 best food processors you can buy in 2025. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 6, Nutribullet Magic Bullet MB50200. The Nutribullet Magic Bullet Kitchen Express is a great choice for anyone seeking a compact and affordable appliance that functions as both a personal blender and a mini food processor. This versatile 2-in-1 device makes meal prep simple. Just attach either the blending cup or the food processor bowl, and you're ready to go. The food processor bowl has a 3.5 cup, 0.83 liter capacity, which is the smallest among the models featured in this list. It includes only a slicing disc and a blade, which makes it best suited for basic tasks like chopping vegetables or grinding nuts. While it's not designed for more advanced kitchen tasks such as kneading dough or whipping cream, this may not be a drawback if you already own a stand mixer or are comfortable handling those jobs manually. During testing, the Kitchen Express impressed us with its ability to quickly shred carrots and grate cucumbers. However, its narrow feed chute means you may need to cut larger ingredients, such as whole cucumbers or zucchinis, in half before processing. Despite its limitations, the Nutribullet Magic Bullet Kitchen Express stands out for its convenience and space-saving design. It's especially well suited to small kitchens where countertop and storage space are limited. Even with its attachments and accessories, it remains easy to store and simple to clean. If you're looking for a compact entry-level food processor that doubles as a personal blender, this model offers excellent value and efficiency for everyday use. Number 5, Ninja 3-in-1 Food Processor. The Ninja 3-in-1 Food Processor with Auto IQ is a versatile and compact solution for anyone looking to reduce the number of kitchen appliances they own. Combining a food processor, a full-size blender, and a personal cup blender into a single unit, it's an excellent option for maximizing functionality while minimizing countertop clutter. One of its standout features is the food processor bowl, which includes a reversible slicing and grating disc. However, it's worth noting that this particular accessory is not included with the US model, which might be a drawback for some users. On the bright side, the removable blade in the blender pitcher makes it easy to clean, a thoughtful design touch that enhances user convenience. The included recipe book is a nice bonus, offering creative inspiration for both novice and experienced cooks alike. While the Ninja 3-in-1 doesn't come with as many attachments as some high-end food processors, it still covers most essential tasks. That said, it may fall short if you're looking for a more specialized appliance capable of handling advanced food prep. Additionally, the inclusion of a full-size blending pitcher and a personal to-go cup means you'll need ample storage space in your kitchen. Another limitation is the reduced number of speed settings compared to other models, which can affect precision for more delicate recipes. Still, for most day-to-day tasks, this appliance performs admirably and is well worth considering for its multifunctional design and ease of use. Number 4, KitchenAid Food Chopper KFC051CX. The KitchenAid Food Chopper may be smaller than a standard food processor, but it's a smart choice for those with limited kitchen space or for anyone who doesn't need to prepare large batches of food. With a 5-cup 1.19 liter capacity, it's compact yet surprisingly powerful. During testing, it impressed with its ability to chop ingredients quickly and consistently, even when tackling tougher tasks like grinding beef or chopping hard nuts. Its solid build and efficient motor make it reliable for daily use, and while it doesn't come with a wide range of accessories, it does include a handy whisk attachment. This whisk can be used to whip small amounts of cream or aerate egg whites, great for quick desserts or light toppings. However, it lacks attachments for slicing, shredding, or kneading dough, so it's best suited to chopping, pureeing, and light whipping tasks. The chopper features 2 speed settings, giving users a bit of control over the processing. One drawback is that you need to keep your finger on the button to operate it continuously, which might be inconvenient during longer tasks. On the plus side, all components nest neatly inside the main bowl, making it easy to store in a cupboard without losing parts or cluttering your space. While it is more expensive than many other small food processors, its higher performance and durable construction justify the price. For those looking for power and quality in a compact package, the KitchenAid food chopper is a worthy investment. Number 3. Magimix 4200XL food processor. If you're in the market for a food processor that offers both high performance and a wide range of attachments, the Magimix 4200XL, also known as the Magimix 14-cup food processor in the US, is worth considering. It's a premium model that impressed us with its versatility and build quality. Although it's one of the more expensive options we've tested, the performance and included accessories justify the price for those who use a food processor regularly. This model comes with a generous 14-cup capacity, making it ideal for large families or batch cooking. It handled slicing, chopping, and shredding tasks with ease during our tests. Even heavy bread dough wasn't a problem, thanks to its powerful motor. For added convenience, it includes multiple bowls and blades, allowing you to switch between small and large tasks without washing in between. A standout feature is the handy storage box that keeps all the attachments organized and in one place. However, it is quite bulky, which might be a downside for kitchens with limited storage space. Another limitation is the single speed operation. While it simplifies use, we found ourselves wishing for a lower speed when preparing delicate items, like herbs or soft vegetables. Overall, the Magimix 4200XL is a top-tier food processor that delivers excellent performance and versatility, especially for experienced home cooks who will make use of its full capabilities. Number 2. Cuisinart Easy Prep Pro FP8. The Cuisinart Easy Prep Pro is a solid choice if you're looking for a full-size food processor on a budget. As one of the most affordable models we've tested, it strikes a great balance between performance and price. It features a generous 8-cup, 1.9-liter capacity, which is ideal for everyday meal prep, and its relatively compact design makes it suitable for smaller kitchens. The controls are intuitive, and all the removable parts, including the bowl and attachments, are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This food processor comes with slicing and shredding discs that offer 2 thickness options. The discs perform well overall and are easy to install, although we did notice that some food was left unprocessed on top of the disc during testing. For instance, chocolate began to melt slightly while being shredded, which may be a concern if you're working with heat-sensitive ingredients. When mixing cake batter, we found that the unit tended to move around on the countertop, requiring us to hold it steady. It's worth noting that the Easy Prep Pro doesn't include a whisk or dough attachment, which could be a drawback for bakers. Despite these limitations, the motor proved surprisingly capable. It successfully minced 500 grams, 1.1 lbs of beef without stalling, which is impressive for a processor at this price point. The Cuisinart Easy Prep Pro delivers excellent value for money. While it may lack some premium features, it covers the basics well and is more than adequate for most food prep tasks. If you need a budget-friendly processor that doesn't compromise too much on performance, this one's definitely worth considering. Number 1. Breville Sage The Kitchen Wizz 15 Pro. If you're after the best food processor on the market and you're not limited by budget or kitchen space, the Sage Kitchen Wizz 15 Pro, known as the Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro in the US, is a top-tier choice. It's the most powerful and capable model we've tested, combining strength, versatility, and ease of use in one impressively designed machine. Despite having just one speed setting, the processor performs exceptionally well across a wide range of tasks. The pulse function is especially useful for preventing overprocessing, giving you greater control over your results. In our testing, it breezed through tough jobs like grinding beef and kneading bread dough without hesitation. It's equally efficient at slicing and shredding large quantities of ingredients in mere seconds, perfect for batch cooking or prepping meals for a big family. One of the standout features is its extensive range of attachments. Beyond the basics, it comes with more specialized tools for julienning vegetables and even cutting homemade French fries. All attachments store neatly in their own dedicated box, helping you keep your kitchen organized. However, the Kitchen Wizz 15 Pro isn't without its drawbacks. Its performance and features come with a hefty price tag, making it one of the more expensive models on the market. It's also quite bulky and heavy, so you'll need adequate counter or storage space to accommodate it. Still, if you value performance, build quality, and versatility, and have the space and budget to match, the Sage Kitchen Wizz 15 Pro is hard to beat. It's a professional grade machine that delivers exceptional results, making it a worthy investment for serious home cooks and food prep enthusiasts alike. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.